Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about Pathward Financial, Inc. quarterly report. Do note that this is not a financial advice or a buy or sell call. All content are AI generated and is not associated with anyone. Pathward Financial, Inc. offers a diverse range of banking products and services through its three segments: consumer, commercial, and corporate services/other. The company's services include banking accounts, demand deposit, savings, money market, commercial finance products, term lending, asset-based lending, factoring, etc., consumer lending products, installment and revolving loans, tax services, short-term refund advance loans, electronic return originator advance loans, warehouse financing payment solutions, credit card and debit card processing, digital payments, merchant services, debit and prepaid cards, issuance. These services cater to various customer needs, making Pathward Financial a comprehensive financial institution. Pathward Financial, Inc.'s stock price has increased by a little over 10.38% in the past year due to several key factors. The company's strong fiscal fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings announcement on October 23, 2024, contributed significantly to this rise. Pathward reported a net income of $33.6 million, surpassing the Zacks consensus estimate, and diluted earnings per share grew by 11% year-over-year. Additionally, the strategic sale of its commercial insurance premium finance business in August 2024, which was expected to close by October 31, 2024, also boosted investor confidence. Furthermore, Pathward's industry recognition as the best banking-as-a-service provider at the 2024 Finovate Award on September 30, 2024, positively impacted market perception and investor sentiment. These positive announcements and financial performance around late September and October 2024 propelled the stock price increase by over 10.38% from its 52-week low of $62.79 to approximately $69.04. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by the increase in net interest income, proceeds from sales of loans held for sale, and significant growth in commercial finance segment. Additionally, secondary market revenue and non-interest income also contributed to the revenue growth. On the other hand, revenue decline is mainly attributed to a decrease in originations of loans held for sale, worsening net realized loss on loans held for sale, decline in consumer finance segment, and decrease in SBA securities. Net income and profit margins. A mixed picture. The financial summary reveals a mixed picture of net income and profit margins. On one hand, net income decreased by $2,722 in Q1 2025 compared to Q1 2024, and by $1,617 in the same period. Additionally, net income declined by $628 million over 9 months ended June 30, 2025. However, there is a slight increase of $2,685, 1.8%, in another instance. Profit margins also show some inconsistencies. Net interest margin decreased from 30.6% to 31.1%, while non-interest income as a percentage of total revenue increased from 36.3% to 37.7%. However, net interest income increased from 6.9% to 7.3% over 9 months ended June 30, 2025. The overall trend suggests that net income decreased, but profit margins remained relatively stable or changed slightly. The inconsistencies in reported numbers across different pages make it challenging to draw a clear conclusion. The company is experiencing a significant improvement in its financial performance, particularly in terms of generating positive operating cash flow. The data shows that operating cash flow has increased by over $198,000 in 2025 compared to the previous year, reaching $345,689. Additionally, net cash provided by operating activities has also seen an increase from $1,741,221 to $1,944,298. Furthermore, total cash and cash equivalents have risen from $158.3 million to $258.3 million, indicating a substantial growth in the company's liquidity position. These indicators collectively suggest that the company is generating positive operating cash flow, which is a crucial aspect of its financial health. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. According to the financial summary, the total debt level has decreased from $410.4 million in 2024 to $148.4 million in 2025, a substantial reduction of over 64%. Additionally, interest expenses have also seen a notable decrease, dropping by 58% from $3,083 in 2024 to $1,279 in 2025. These changes indicate a significant improvement in the company's financial health and ability to manage its debt obligations. Management's outlook on company strategy. The company's management is optimistic about its financial outlook, citing adequate loan repayment and liquidity to meet short and long-term needs. With a total available liquidity of $2.65 billion as of June 30, 2025, the company believes it has sufficient funds to operate smoothly. Additionally, management views the Partner Solutions business line's longer duration deposits as a stable and profitable funding source. Overall, the company is confident in its ability to meet regulatory capital requirements and maintain profitability. The company has a history of returning value to its shareholders through both dividend payments and share buybacks. In terms of dividends, the company paid out a total of -$3,542 in 2024 and -$3,824 in 2025. However, it's worth noting that these figures are negative, suggesting that the company may have distributed more cash than it retained. On the other hand, the company has also been actively buying back shares to reduce its outstanding share count. In 2024, it repurchased $147,897 worth of shares, while in 2025, it bought back $71,513 worth of shares. Additionally, specific details on share buybacks include the purchase of 66,446 and 122,452 shares for $4.6 million and $5.8 million respectively. Overall, the company's strategy appears to be focused on returning value to shareholders through a combination of dividend payments and share buybacks. That concludes the financial summary for Pathward Financial, Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.